everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be updating and giving this dresser and the side table a complete makeover. I'm really excited. It's going to look completely different when I'm all done. I'm also trying a new bold color. This is Lily Moon paint. It's an all-in-one paint, and this is Plum Orchard. So as you can see that, it is very bold. I'm super excited. I haven't used Lily Moon. If I have, I don't remember. It's probably been a long time, but I'm excited to try that. I'm also going to be updating the hardware, well, changing the color at least. And then I also have some fun liner that matches this on its way from Amazon right now to put inside the drawer. So I'm so excited. These are older dressers, but they are solid and they're in great shape. As you can see, they don't match exactly, but that's okay. I think that together, they will look really good. So as always, thank you for following me along. Please feel free to hit like and subscribe, and let's get started.
Okay, here I am scuff sanding with my Bosch sander, and I'm using 120 grit. Remember, scuff sanding is just a light sanding to take off the top finish. Now I'm using Crud Cutter to get the dresser completely clean. Here I am using Zinsser Bullseye Primer to put this on. Then I will also sand it down nice and smooth when I'm finished. Okay, we are ready for the first coat of the Lily Moon paint. Okay, here I'm using Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold for the hardware. Okay guys, here's the beautiful paper that matches. We're gonna get this put in, and then we're gonna take a look at the dresser. All right guys, we are finally ready to take a look at this gorgeous piece. I think it is so pretty. Sometimes you just have to change it up and go bold. Here is the gorgeous contact paper with the plum that matches perfectly. So the side table is a little more damaged than I thought, so I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. But as far as this dresser, I am in love. This was so fun, and sometimes it's just so fun to do something different and something bold. And who knows if it's gonna sell well in Marketplace. I'm not exactly sure, but if not, one of my daughters is already begging for this dresser, so we could always go that route too if it doesn't sell. But I think it's so fun. I love it. I love the colors and the contrast. But please tell me what you guys think. I don't know, like I said, it's gonna sell well, but you know, someone might need a statement piece. So thank you so much for following me along. Before I do put this on Marketplace, usually, I mean, this is an all-in-one paint, so you don't have to put a top coat, but usually I'll throw some Dixie Belle satin top coat on there, and I'm sure I'll do that too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for following me along. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, and please hit like and subscribe.